guys, Mr. Tavio here. All right, typers, we are going to have an assessment today. It's going to be our pre-test part 2. So we're going to look for growth from all of you. So you had a pre-test at the beginning of the year, and we're looking for some baseline growth from you guys. All right. If you didn't take the pre-test at the beginning of the year, you just have to take one at the beginning class and one at the end. As long as you do better at the end, you get a better grade. Cool, right? All right. So the tip to do is to log in, obviously. When you're at this main screen, you're just going to scroll down. And on the bottom left, there's going to be a column that looks like this. It says Assessments, Time Test. Click there. Then it's going to bring up pre and post test. Where it says pre-test, press start. When you do it, I'll have your old test score and your new test score. That's how you get your grade. Then you will work on lessons 8 to 9 today, between the time after live, because we're going to do that in the live session, and then through the rest of the period. All right, so 8 and 9 will be due today, as well as a retaking of the pretest as a typing assessment. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.